Hey everyone, so we have a 2000s Honda Civic in for tuning today. This is should be a fun little setup. It is technically like a winter beater, just for fun. As you can see, it's got like an eBay Turbo Kit on it. So this setup is non-VTEC single cam, D16 Y7 stock, completely stock engine with eBay Turbo Kit, cast log, manifold. You know any idea what size the turbo is? Like 57?
50 AR.
Okay. So just the generic normal eBay turbo, 3-inch exhaust. We got some good injectors. Our friends over at Performance Fuel Injection provided the 1000cc injectors. Walboro 255 HP pump. Tuning it on Honda S300. And yeah, so should be fun. Let's I guess we'll start doing some pulls and see what it makes. Okay, all said and done. This was a pretty quick tune. There's not much to it. It's single cam, it's non-VTEC. There's only 2 maps, ignition and fuel, so it goes by pretty quickly. And I spent a bunch of time just doing all the drivability because it's gonna be just a fun street car. So, 204 horse, 195 torque, and let's bring up the map, the graphs. They look pretty decent for a single cam without VTEC. Fuel, air fuels, right around the 11.7 mark all the way through in boost. And boost, you can see this light blue line comes up full boost at 4,800 RPM, which is about, what's that, almost 12, and creeps a bunch up to about 13 pounds by red line. But as you can see, this is a perfect example of why you need VTEC. Down low it's fine, comes on strong, but right at 4,900 where you would normally engage VTEC is where it starts losing power and falling off. Whereas if we had VTEC, it would hold it up a little bit higher and make it a bit more top end power. So anyways, great little car for a beater, and should be lots of fun on the street. And yeah, anyways, that's it for today. Hope you liked the video, and if you do, remember to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.